Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Tesla's autopilot system. But before we get into the details, let's ask ourselves a question. What if you could take your hands off the wheel and let your car do the driving for you? It sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, but it's actually a reality with Tesla's autopilot system. In this video, I'm going to explain what autopilot is, how it works, and what it can and can't do. What is Tesla Autopilot? Tesla Autopilot is an advanced driver assistance system, ADAS, that helps you stay centered in your lane, maintain a safe distance from other cars, and change lanes automatically. It can also be used to park your car and summon it to you. How does Tesla Autopilot work? Autopilot uses a combination of sensors, including radar, cameras, and ultrasonic sensors, to detect and track other vehicles, pedestrians, and obstacles. It then uses this information to make decisions about how to steer, accelerate, and brake. What can Tesla Autopilot do? Autopilot can be used in a variety of driving situations, including highway driving, city driving, parking, summoning. What can't Tesla Autopilot do? Autopilot is not a fully autonomous system. It requires the driver to remain attentive at all times and be ready to take over control if necessary. Autopilot also cannot be used in all driving conditions, such as heavy rain or snow. Is Tesla Autopilot safe? Tesla has conducted extensive testing of Autopilot and has found it to be a safe and effective system. However, it is important to remember that autopilot is not a substitute for safe driving. Drivers should always be aware of their surroundings and be prepared to take over control at any time. The future of autopilot. Tesla is constantly working to improve autopilot. In the future, we can expect to see autopilot become even more capable and reliable. Eventually, autopilot may even be able to drive a car completely autonomously. Tesla Autopilot is a revolutionary technology that is making driving safer and more convenient. If you're considering buying a Tesla, Autopilot is a great feature to consider. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.